Good Monday morning, guys!
Happy Monday!
Your dose of positivity on Monday from me and Melissa. So stoked for the day, stoked for the week. Had a killer weekend over the weekend, this last weekend.
Two big sales.
Two nice sales coming in, so super excited. I have 2 pallets, but we made over $9,000 in 2 flips. 2 flips was all it took, so super stoked about that. We absolutely love when we're able to do that. That is a great day for us. That's a great week for us to make that kind of money in 2 flips. So
we got
super stoked.
2 pallets to ship out this week.
That's right.
Those are, those will be
excited
made this week and shipped out.
So Melissa and I started off our day with a run like usual, guys. We love getting some exercise, getting some fresh air, clearing our brain, listening to an amazing podcast, audiobook, whatever we do. Today it was Dean Graziosi. We actually purchased a course a week and a half ago.
We've been going through it, and he talked today, and we just wanted to bring it to you because it was so good.
It was.
And it was about comparing yourself to others, so we wanted to share it with you guys. So don't
fall into the trap.
Don't let yourself fall into the trap. If you're just getting started, even if you're in this business for a while, the flipping business, and you're just getting started or whatever, don't fall into the trap of comparing yourself to others. Like, really, the only person you should be comparing yourself is to who to get yourself yesterday.
That's right, guys.
So,
just think about what steps you can take today to be better than you were yesterday.
Because a lot of times it's easy to see people like doing these big things, or like having all this success in their flipping business, and then you get like analysis paralysis, and then you don't start. So just compare yourself. Okay, what did I do today that I didn't do yesterday?
Exactly.
And build those habits.
And you will. You get better. Like right now, we're in the middle of a 30-day listing challenge
with our group.
Which I'm 100% confident that that's what helped us sell on Saturday. And one day we made over $9,000 in 2 sales because it's a consistent routine. That's what the whole purpose of a 30-day listing challenge is to set those goals together, to list one thing every day, at least one thing every day, to get the results. And then you're also building those habits, that routine, to set you up for success.
Yes.
So it's very important. Don't compare yourself to other people. Just get better than you were yesterday. That's all you have to do is get better than you were yesterday. And pretty soon, guys, you will be an expert. You'll be amazing at this business. So that's all you have to do is look at yourself yesterday, get better today, get better tomorrow, and just keep going with it, because that is how you'll see results for sure.
Just one step at a time. So,
that's it. So
you can't. What he used one analogy. You can't run a 1,000 miles. Well, how do you run 1,000 miles?
One step at a time. So you got to do it, guys. One step at a time.
That's 1 mile. One step at a time.
That's it. That's it. So we had some new members jump in over the weekend into Flipper University. Super excited, super stoked to meet some new people and to actually get them going in this business. So if you guys did jump in, you guys are the ones that jumped into Flipper University. Super stoked. We're actually going to do an onboarding, a live call. Do we decide when it's going to be?
We'll send out the email today.
So we'll do it. It's going to be one day this week. We'll actually jump on. We'll do answer questions, get to know you guys a little bit better. And also, like I said, it's onboarding and it's a welcome call that we want to get to know you guys. So super stoked for that as well.
Yeah, and continuing with the listing challenge. This is the last week of the listing challenge.
Last week!
Let us know if you've been participating. Like, how has it been going? So,
and Melissa and I both fell behind a little bit a couple days, but that doesn't matter, guys.
Back up.
Get back on track and do it, because life happens. We totally get that. But at the same time, just like we said, if you didn't do one yesterday, jump on today and catch back up. That's what you have to do. You just have to stay focused that you're getting better today than you were yesterday. So
we're getting caught up. So
awesome! You guys are rock. We're excited for today. I got to start working on some pallets because I got to get 2 things shipped out this week. So I'm gonna get some wood, get everything together, get it all ready. So that's what I will be doing this week. Super stoked, and I'm actually going to pick up another. We sold one of our flips was a mower that we sold over the weekend on Saturday. So I actually found another mower for fairly cheap. I'm gonna go try and snag that bad boy, get it listed as quick as I can to take advantage of the beginning of the season down here in Florida. So maybe we'll have another sweet flip in the next month on this big mower that we're actually purchasing today. So all right, you guys are rock.
Take one step.
That's
today.
it. Hopefully you have an amazing day. This is your dose of positivity. We want to encourage you guys. That's the point of Motivation Mondays. We love encouraging you guys, helping you guys on your journey. So hopefully you have a wonderful day today and an awesome week. We cannot wait to see you guys throughout the week and next Motivation Monday.
We'll see you soon.
You rock. Have a great day.
Bye.
See ya.